Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
Now then. Oh, I'm dragging my feet a bit today to get out there. Not because I'm ill or anything, because I know it's that hot. It is absolutely, if it's anything like yesterday, almost unbearable. I'm gonna go and get some breakfast now. And I've got a few things to do. Might go to the park, have a look around the bus station, show you where that is. And I'm gonna go for a massage. That's what I've been doing mostly on this trip, massages. I'm no longer really interested in bringing the girls back here. Got too much camera stuff lying around, laptops and that. Not that I'd say that anything would go amiss, but them days have gone. Just a quick massage will do me. Anyway, Owen, let's get out and about on the main streets of Udon Thani. It's just after 10 AM and a girl on reception told me it's 34. Probably climbed to 40 during the day. So I'll show you a little bit of Soi Sampan as we walk down. I'll do a bit of filming at night before I go. Got a sports bar there. A bit clicky I find in there, but I don't know. I might be wrong. A lot of expats going there, probably watch the Australian football and all that. I went in last time with a doc and no one really spoke or anything. Could have just been a bad time, probably a good bar. But that's where I'll probably go for breakfast, in the Brickhouse. That's where I watched the City and Chelsea game last night. Really nice inside. I'm going for breakfast, but I'm just going to wander to the bottom and just show you. It's quiet now at this time of morning. Oh, that's a new bar. It's like a pool table inside, nice and aircon. A massage. Hello, hello. How much for massage? 300. Okay. For oil now? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, see you. And that's the Irish Clock. I've had some food in there before. Me and the old doc had Christmas dinner in there. Alright. I don't know how much it was, about 200 baht or something. Carrots were a bit hard, but I never said up. Anyway, another massage shop across the way. Happy Bar. I never went in any of these last night. I might have a look in there tonight. I had a beer in this ATM bar. There was a nice girl I was chatting to, and then I don't know if she was the mama san, an older lady came and butted in and kind of took over, so that was that out of the way. And I bought a girl a drink. It was 69 baht. She wasn't really my type, but she was friendly. And then I went to the bar at the end and sat with 3 girls. Had a game of pool with one, but there was another girl that I was really interested in across the way, but she was a little bit shy. And again, the older, more, shall we say, big boned girl with a nice personality kind of took over. So I just left. When I was younger, I'd have pursued it, but I'm not like that anymore. So coming towards the end of Soi Sampan, this hotel here. Let's have a look around there, and I think Mr. Jeff Carter stayed there in the past. And this is a new 7-Eleven. I think it's taken away a couple of beer bars, It's a massive one. I don't know what else. Saudi carb. Gayang, huh? Gayang.
Gayang.
And Sai sausage.
Sai cọt.
Sai cọt. Pet May. Pet.
Mai pet.
May pet. Ah, okay. Okay, thank you. I never tried before. My payayam. No, my try payayam, na?
ค่ะ
เข้าใจ? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I didn't know if I said the right thing then. I've just woke up. So now these two bars, this bar at the corner is quite a popular bar. When I walked up yesterday afternoon, it must be reasonably priced, and quite a few of the old expats kind of start off there. So I'm sat out now at 10 o'clock in the morning. By Jove, the king. Tattoo shop. Corner bar it's called. And here we have the 7-Eleven. A few Thai people having their breakfast. What are you doing though? So to go to the park, which I'll probably do knowing me in the heat of the day, or should I go around when the sun's setting? Might be better. Is down that road. I might get myself, I might walk a little bit and then get a tuk-tuk, because I think it is a bit too hot to walk in the heat. Right, Owen, get yourself some breakfast, son. Some nice fruit, pineapple and stuff. Watermelon. Oh, that pine. I've never had any pineapple on this trip. I don't know why. Never got round to it. Oh yeah. Breakfast time. Just while I remember, at the end of Soi Sampan, take a right. Just on the corner there's a little massage shop, and I seen yesterday afternoon one absolute stunning girl. And she was really friendly. I was trying to get my hair cut, but it was like more of a ladies' salon. So I reckon today I might try, if she's there, go and get a massage. She was really, really pretty. Find out her name and everything. Come in. But I wasn't feeling it yesterday afternoon. I was a bit worn down and hot. So possibly I will venture in there today. On my last trip I went with a girl out of that bar, a little cheeky girl. She was alright. I'm sat at the Brickhouse. I've ordered my breakfast, just a small breakfast, 130 baht with a coffee. You get all the egg, bacon, sausage, toast, jam and all that sort of stuff. I told her what my egg as hard as this table. She just started laughing. I asked her if we could have a look round, so she says yeah, but I'll have my breakfast first and have a look inside. It's quite smart in there. So there's your cocktails. Okay. Hello. Should I have?
Should be
Bean?
Yes. What's your name?
Owen.
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 Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. คุณทำงานที่นี่มานานหรือยังครับ
3 เดือนค่ะ
3 เดือนชอบไหม
ชอบค่ะ
Okay, good. So you get a big cup of coffee there, as much coffee mate, sugar as you like, and the price is 130 baht. Oh, thank you very much.
Enjoy your pets.
Okay. speak very good English.
Thank you.
Speak better than I do. So, fried bread, sausage, bacon, beans and an egg, jam, toast and a little bit of fruit. Need some brown sauce, which is over there. Go get some. So that was enjoyable. Highly recommended. Beautiful coffee and big cup as well. We'll check the bin now. Tilak, Tilak, check bin cap. Video okay?
Yes.
Alright, okay.
Thank you. 130.
30. I can look inside.
Yes.
When she comes back, I'm going to ask her how to get to this park. Obviously just for a little bit of content, but also to help with my Thai skills. So that's a place, Nong Prajak Park. It says walking 38 minutes. Maybe it is that far. But I've seen a little tuk-tuk out there. I might get the guy on one of these little tuk-tuks to take me. You know this Utinaya? Nong Prajak.
Yeah, no, Pajak.
This way?
This way.
Ah, that way. Can walk or far?
Oh no, it's so far.
So far?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Thank you. So
Yes.
right. So I'll just have a quick look in here. Alright. So this is a nice little bar. Plenty of sitting areas. Nice and plush, isn't it? Got a nice pool table. Big TV screen for the footy. And then an outdoor kind of seating area, which is alright. Sorry Cap. Sabadi Mai. Soi Ma. So yeah, it's alright. Nice little external area. So nice place to come for some food and a beer in the Brickhouse on Soi Sampan.
Why you won't make me?